Hi everyone, welcome back to Medals and More, the podcast that explores what happens after the win in sport and in life. I'm your host, Pedro, coach, entrepreneur, and proud voice behind this journey. We spent the last few episodes exploring mindset, resilience, coaching strategies, and even how data can drive performance. But this is a boots on the track, sleeves rolled up kind of an episode. It's where I am right now. The hustle, the building, the dreaming, and the doing. Where am I right now? So let me bring you into my world for a minute. Right now, I'm coaching cross country at a high school and loving it. But I'm also looking to expand. I'm hoping to pick up more hours at that school, and I'm actively reaching out to local primary schools too. Because what we've just launched is something really close to my heart. It's called the Kiddie Athletics Program, and it's designed for kids aged 4 to 14. We're covering all the basics: sprints, middle distance, jumps, and throws, with a focus on fun, movement, and unlocking potential early. There's something special about introducing kids to sport in a way that's inclusive, exciting, and full of possibility. But it doesn't stop there. At Fitness from Africa, we're not just about kids or elite athletes. We're also helping adults get back into shape, especially those preparing for local events like park runs or corporate wellness initiatives. And to make it easier to get started, we are offering a 2-week free trial right now on our website. So if you're thinking about running your first 5K, or just trying to hit a new PB, or maybe you just want to feel better in your body again, check it out. It's completely free, and we've got training plans and support waiting for you. Now let me be real with you. Doing this work alone isn't the goal. The real power lies in partnerships, in joining forces with schools, businesses, and communities that already care about wellness, performance, and development. I've realized that it's not about creating my own brand in isolation, but about adding value to what others are already doing, and doing it with heart. Whether it's bringing energy to a school sports program, supporting HR goals in a corporate setting, or helping parents and teachers introduce movement into kids' lives, I see myself as a collaborator. Sometimes I'm working behind the scenes on a flyer. Other times I'm recording episodes like this one to share what we're learning. Most days I'm simply reaching out saying, how can we work together? Can I help your team move better, feel better, perform better? What is the dream? The dream is simply to run a sustainable coaching program that changes lives, to scale Kiddie Athletics into a movement across schools, to make HR and wellness a combined offering through our work in the cleaning industry and corporate health, and to help real people feel proud of their progress, whether it's on the track, in the workplace, or in life. That's the real gold medal right there. So if you're a teacher, a parent, a school principal, or someone in the business community, I'd love to hear from you. Let's work together. Let's build something that lasts for the kids, for the parents, for our city, and for the long run. Thanks for listening to Medals and More. Don't forget to check out the 2-week free trial on our website. And if you're based in Johannesburg and want to bring the Kiddie Athletics Program to your school, my inbox is open. I'm Pedro. Keep running your race. Until next time.